my favorite things to draw is the face. And today I'm going to show you how to draw some simple expressions that you can draw no matter what skill level you're at. So if you'd like to follow along, grab a pen and pencil and I'll see you over with the head down camera shot thing. Okay, bye. Starting out with a neutral face, we can just add some circles for eyes, a little dash for nose, and a smile. And that's our starting place. But I'm going to show you how to take this really simple drawing style and make a bunch of really fun expressions. So for example, if we wanted to make him extra happy, we can go ahead and open up the mouth. And then when your mouth opens like this, it actually makes the bottom eyelids squeeze up just a little bit. And that's how you get that extra, more genuine feeling smile, because the smile has reached the eyes. Now let's say we wanted to make him look a little grumpy. One thing that happens when you're not feeling very happy is that your eyebrows come down and together. Now this would be kind of mischievous because he's smiling, but if they're actually grumpy, then they'll have more of a frown. When somebody is sad, the eyes come down, but they tend to curve upwards like this. And by eyes, I mean the eyelids or the eyebrows. And that's how you get a sad face. When someone is surprised, their eyes open even more. Their eyebrows can shoot up and their mouth will open in surprise. Now, someone could have a surprise that is happy. And so I like to do like a longer one to show that it's like opened up, like, ooh, but they're happy about it. Or it could be unhappy. And then we can do the same thing. It opens up, so it's a little bit more narrow, but it's showing an upset sort of feeling. You can make the upper eyelids come down and they look off to the side if they're feeling uncertain about something. And you can make the upper eyelids and the lower eyelids come and squeeze together to show that the eyes are squeezing shut. This can be because they're happy or because they're unhappy. One of my favorite expressions is confusion, which you show with one eyebrow down and one eyebrow up. And it could be unhappy, like you're kind of upset about being confused, or you can kind of think it's funny. I'm not sure what's happening here. The eyelids come down, it's usually relaxed. And then if they squeeze up, it's usually happy. And if you really want to play with the expressions, you can always put things like little @ signs to show that they're dazed, little X's or crosses to show they're knocked out. The most important thing is that you have fun drawing expressions. If you like this, you'll probably enjoy this section of my How to Draw Adorable book, where I break down the expressions even further. My How to Draw Emotions workbook, where you can also practice them and get even more detail, including little quizzes for you to figure out how to draw them easily. Thanks for joining.